talk about how, from your perspective, from the enablement perspective, you handle this problem of how to prioritize a change, prioritize various changes in an organization, particularly, something like an AI, changes.
When you were telling me about the RICE criteria, I was thinking, who in the enterprise has that much time to come up with 1 million use cases to score, right? It's not the C-suite. It's definitely not the senior leadership team. It's probably the data AI team, right? Who are responsible and tasked with understanding enterprise-wide where are the use cases.
The product people. I think typically in an organization, you would have the product people be owning kind of this like prioritization.
The bottoms-up
roadmap.
assessment.
Yeah.
And so where I come in and where I really see value is those teams, even if they come up with the best use cases, they can't get them into the enterprise unless they have senior leadership buy-in and they have an actual implementation roadmap that makes sense for the orchestra of enterprise priorities that are happening around them. So whenever you try to push an enterprise-wide priority across an enterprise, it has to be in concert with what is important to that enterprise that quarter. And if you don't integrate it, it feels like this foreign, non-priority, siloed mission, and it doesn't get the adoption or the airtime that it deserves. So if I were to work with you and we had a team in front of us, we were doing a workshop, and it was mostly product, data, AI, where we would come in at BizLove is to understand how do we get your senior leadership team bought into this, right? We have really good ideas at the table. John and his team would help with the ROI for each use case. We would score them. We'd have our top 5. The next step is socialization, alignment, and approval. BizLove is very good at aligning leadership teams around what's important in concert with the rest of their enterprise priorities. We wouldn't work in a silo. We would bring it up and integrate it. And then we would help understand what's the change impact and how ready is the enterprise to receive what you want to give them.
Yeah, and I guess and a point to make is that we're not doing this podcast episode to just pitch you on like, oh, you should be using Carrot or BizLove, but these are
a use case.
These are examples of how you can take how Diane said there. BizLove has specialization in this, and it has this impact. It allows you to make change in your organization, adopt this AI solution. These will be generalizable takeaways that anyone can anyone can use.
And if you are a product person in your enterprise and you want to roll out an AI solution, I guarantee you're grappling with how to get it in front of the C-suite or the senior leadership team to get budget approval, resource approval. And so whether you have us at the table with you or not, you're still climbing that ladder trying to get it in front of the decision maker, get it resourced. And so how you do that is a key.